Hello everyone. Have anyone figured out that it was hard to place a walkie-talkie in the car? It was annoying. So, I'm going to introduce a car windshield mount. You can set the walkie-talkie on the car windshield. That is car stand. The main characteristics of the stand is the big vacuum with 9 cm. Remember, deep clean the glass before mounting. The suction will be better. There are two methods to mount. It depends on the slope of glass. Owing to the glass slope, we can adjust the direction of the stand. Suck the vacuum with the glass accurately. Then, press it tightly. Make sure it's tightly. You can swing the button to the left and right, even higher and lower. If it can't move, this means the position is not appropriate. Let's see the position which is raising. You can use the clip by walkie-talkie. The benefit of car clip is easy to clamp. And take it out directly. Let's have a look of the side. You can adjust the tightness. Another benefit of the stand is there is a concave surface. It has a fit size for the clip. After putting it in, it won't be moving. If you want to buy this stand, you must measure the clip size of walkie-talkie before you buy. It is suitable for 90% of walkie-talkie clip. Let's see. That was the look after mounting. The first position can adjust to the left and right. The second position can adjust to the up and down. Now we will have a test with rugged road. Let's see the effect of the vacuum. Compared with the weight of walkie-talkie, it is different to the phone. The phone is light and the walkie-talkie is heavy. The weight of walkie-talkie has between 200 gram to 300 gram. The old model of Motorola walkie-talkie is weighed as 300 gram due to the heavy battery. Compared with the new lithium battery, it is lighter than the old one. In fact, the main feature of the car stand is the range of vacuum can be unlimited. It can be 9 cm. The range of car camera vacuum is 4 cm usually, because of the weight is light. Now, the test is stable. Vacuum is sturdy. We have strolled from Yuen Long to Kowloon for over 2 hours. The car stand won't fall down, and walkie-talkie also stable. So it's passed the test.